Assalamualaikum. In this lecture, we will discuss the shaping process of glass. Uh, Production of glass can be categorized into three processing methods. The first one is a discrete process for pieceware, such as bottle, jars, plates, like bulb. And the second method is a continuous process for making flat glass. And the last method is a fiber making process to produce fiberglass. Okay, the first method is a shaping of pieceware. This method is a traditional method of hand working glass, including the glass blowing, and also can be produced manually using handicraft method. And in order to satisfy the high demand in glass product, so all the method is modernized using the technologies. Okay, the modern method in pieceware shaping process include spinning, pressing, press and blow, blow and blow, and also casting method. Okay, for the spinning process, is similar to the centrifugal casting of metal, where the mold will spin at very high speed and allow the charge or the molten glass to move to the surface of the mold, to the wall surface of the mold. And pressing method is used to produce the flat product, glass flat product. And for the press and blow is these two method is used to produce the bottle. And casting is used to produce a large item such as astronomical lens. Okay, this figure show the spinning process. In this process, the gobe of hot glass, this is the hot glass, the gobe of hot glass is placed inside the mold, and then the mold will rotate at the high speed, so that the gobe will force outward and stay at the wall surface of the mold. Okay, and then this is the pressing method, where the gobe is placed in the mold and the plunger or the upper mold will move down and press the gobe, and the gobe will spread and fill all the cavity inside the mold. Okay, this is also the pressing method. Okay, this figure 12.4 show the process of press and blow forming sequence to produce bottles. So in this process, the gobe is placed inside the mold, and then the plunger will go down and press the gobe. So in figure 2, the pressing occur and it produce the parison. This shape we call it the parison, and then the parison will transfer to the second mold. This is the second mold, and then the air will blow into the second mold, and then it will cause the parison expand and duplicate or replicate the shape of the mold. Okay, this one we call it the press and blow because there are two processing method. The first one is a pressing method 1 and 2. Step 1 and step 2 is a pressing, and step 3 and step 4 is a blowing process. Okay, and for the blow and blow process, also used to produce the bottle, uh, but the process is a little bit different between the press and blow. So as you can see from the figure, show the blow and blow process. Okay, in the figure 1, so we put the goat into the mold, and then we close the mold with another the upper mold will goes down and close the mold, and we blow the air. So when we blow the air, the goat will expand and follow the shape of the mold. So at the stage number 3, we produce the perison using the blowing process, and then the perison will move to the second mold. Okay, and then we also blow the air, and then the perison will expand and replicate the shape of the mold. Okay. Okay, so both process, press and blow and blow and blow, produce the same product as a bottle, but there is a little bit difference in terms of the shape of the product. So as you can see, the blow and blow process, using this method, we are able to produce bottle with the small size of neck, small diameter of neck. Whereas for the press and blow, we are able to produce the large diameter of bottleneck. Okay, this is also show the step in manufacturing process or production of glass bottle. Okay, thank you. And the next video I will discuss on the casting process.